In this video, you are going to learn 3 types of questions of does. Questions which have limited range of answers by saying yes and no. Does she wear makeup? Does he read while walking? Does he like singing? Does he cook tasty food? Does he study? Does he go to gym every morning? Does she dance well? Does your friend have a car? Does she eat porridge? Does he know many languages? Questions which start with WH family word. What does she do for living? Where does he go after school? Why does it always rain in this season? When does the bus arrive at the station? How does the machine work? Why does the cat hide under the table? How does he climb mountain? Where does your friend live? Where does your friend work? What does she sell in the market? Negative questions. Doesn't she have any siblings? Doesn't he play the guitar well? Doesn't she enjoy watching horror movies? Doesn't your dog bark a lot at night? Doesn't he attend the weekly meetings? Doesn't it fly in the sky? Doesn't she teach English? Doesn't she ride safely? Doesn't she learn? Doesn't he practice every day? If you watched this video till the end, then let's choose your favorite question and answer it in the chat box. Thanks for watching.